Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to learn how we can do futures trading on cryptocurrencies. The platform that we're going to use is BitGet Exchange, where I usually do my futures trading for cryptocurrencies. So in futures trading, there are two sort of terminologies that are mostly used, which is long and short. And by long, it means that whenever you predict that a certain commodity or a cryptocurrency's price would go up based on your prediction or analysis, you long a currency, and if it goes up, you make the money according to the leverage you take. But if you short a cryptocurrency, that means that you predict that the cryptocurrency is going to come down and you will make money. But if happens otherwise, you will lose money depending on where your liquidation price is. So the number one thing that where it's very important when you do futures trading is stop loss. Stop loss means when your prediction is not going according to plan and the currency is going either way, you gotta have to have a stop loss where let's say you put $100 and you're already minus $20. So if you have put your stop loss as minus $20, your trade will be closed, and the remaining amount will be in your balance in your account, and the $20 will be gone. But if you don't use stop loss, majority of the traders lose a lot of money because they don't use stop loss. Another good thing about futures trading is if you are in profit, you can always put a trailing stop loss, where the stop loss would be in profit, means that you're already making profit, but let's say you don't want to take the close the trade, or you think that it will go up, so you can just put your stop loss in a profit position, where if the market goes down, either way you're gonna make money. So let's jump into it. So you can see my screen. This is the BitGet exchange where we'll see how we can do futures trading. So number one thing is you gotta have to go to the USDTM futures, which is where I do my futures trading. You can also do USDC. Once you get to the platform, the screen is pretty much the same as cryptocurrencies or meme coins trading we do. However, it will give you pretty much a couple of other options where you will see how you can use the platform to do your long and short tradings. So let's say this is Bitcoin. I've been doing some long and short quick scalping on Bitcoin, where scalping means a quick trades where I see the market going down, but whenever there's a big red wick or candle that's like showing the market has went down, I'm gonna open a long trade, and it will have a rebound. So while having the bounce back, I'm gonna make some quick bucks. But what I usually do is I'm gonna show you. So let's say currently my Solana trade is going on, and you can see I'm making 21 USD profit, which is almost 43% of my investment. So my investment is right now is $50 where I started my trade. You can also see the estimated liquidation price. So as my trade is isolated, means that the amount that I put in is at risk, not my account. If you go for a cross trade, which you can see here, cross means that all the money in your account would be at risk. But what cross trade does is they further push away the liquidation price, but the same time the risk of you getting liquidated, like everything from your account, would be more if there is a big event in the market and everything goes the other way. So what I do is whenever you start the futures trading on crypto, make sure you do isolated trades, use $5, $10, and I'm going to show you how you can do. So let's jump into my Solana trade. So you can see my screen. What I'm doing right now is I've been observing Solana trade for quite a long time, and then I saw that Solana has made a support where it's usually going down, but it's not breaking its support level. Means that the price of Solana was usually at the level where you can see the green line where I started my long trade. So this green line is where I started my long trade, and you can see a similarity in the chart where the green line shows that there are a couple of patterns shows that after that area Solana is going up, it's coming down up. So what I did today is I saw the price of Solana at 190. Usually it is 189, 190. I opened a long trade, putting $50, having a 15x leverage means that then my position was for 15x for $50. And then I opened the trade. You can see that I opened the trade and there was, so this is the price. 190.5 was the price where I opened the trade, and the current price is 195. So there is a $5 difference in Solana since I opened my trade, and right now I'm making 45% profit, means $21.70 profit. So what I am doing right now, let's say market has something bad event that's gonna happen in the market and I'm sleeping. So just to be on the safe side, my stop loss is above my starting position of my trade, which means that if the market goes down and Solana goes below $190, I'm not gonna lose anything. The reason is that when I opened my trade, my stop loss was 189, meaning that I was just losing $5. So that was the maximum I put, that if something happens to the market, I'm just gonna lose $5. But when I saw my Solana price went up, what I did was I took the stop loss in a profit position, and I'm going to show you how. So this is the trigger price for my take profit, which is that if Solana reaches $203.10, 47.8, so $47.87 would be my profit, which will automatically be deposited into my account, and my trade, my position will be closed. However, if the market goes down and the price of Solana goes down further to 191.9, which is higher than my starting trade, my trade will be closed and $5.53 will be deposited into my account. So why I'm not taking the profit right now, as a risk that the market might go up. There is no such news that the market will go down, so I'm gonna keep this trade open without any worries that I'm gonna lose money. Either way, I'm making $5.53. So this is how I'm gonna do this trade. You can always do, so let's say if Solana goes to $220, so the amount that I'm gonna make is $112. And the good thing that you do if you do your futures trade on your laptop is that you can drag this stop loss or take profit amount anytime through the click of your mouse. So let's say my stop loss, I want to just drag my stop loss to 193.86. so if I go there, it's going to show me $12 profit. So if the market goes down, I'm going to make $12. So I'm going to bring this back to 191.8. let's say it was $5 something. Yes, $5. So this is how I do my futures trading. It's simple. The number one rule is to have a stop loss always, because you never know how the price action would take place. Market is very unstable, it's volatile, so you never know. So just make sure you have your take profit. Sometimes your take profit helps you get money and the price comes down again, and then you can reopen the trade. So this is how I usually do, and you can see the arrows where it shows how many trades I've been doing. So futures trading is kind of risky. I would say if you want to start by a small amount and just learn throughout your futures trading process, and then once you know what's going on in the market, keep an eye on Twitter for news. Solana is a safe play, and also Solana has a lot of volatility. The reason is that a lot of big exchanges and a lot of big platforms like Pump.Fund, Jupiter, and other Radium, they make a lot of fees on Solana meme coins. So they have to cash out their money. For that, they sell Solana, and whenever they sell Solana, there is an impact on the Solana price. So you have to make sure that you keep an eye on, you can see and check their wallets. If you think that they are transferring Solanas to exchanges, just open a short there. Just like make sure whenever you open a short with whatever leverage you use, the leverage should be lower. It's less risk. The more the leverage you use, the more near your liquidation price is. So just to show you again, my estimated liquidation price is 178. So this is where I will get liquidated. Means that my $50 would be gone. I will lose my $50 if the price goes down. So because of my leverage is 15%, so 15 multiplier leverage means that whatever the amount I put, they have the BitGet exchange has provided me. So you can see my position size is 3.8. It's like 746 USDT worth. So the leverage has been provided by the exchange to me, which they're charging me money, which is like 31 cents till now, which is nothing. So keep your leverage low for now. If you want to know if you're very certain the market is going to go down, it's not going to go to a certain price, you can increase your leverage. Just make sure you have your trade isolated so you don't get liquidated from your everything from your account. Same for a short. So if whenever you do short, make sure there is a stop loss above your entry price, and if you're in profit, bring the stop loss down. Even I would suggest bring your stop loss to this equal amount where you started your position. So let's say market is playing the other way, you can just be at equal position and you're not going to lose or make money. But if just you want to take risk or take a chance if the market is going down, that's the right way to do the trading in here. And I would suggest you guys not to do futures trading on meme coins. Whatever meme coins are listed on the exchanges right now, it's volatile to do trading, since meme coins are price fluctuation is quite a lot, and you have to make sure that you don't get into it, because even just one candle can liquidate you. So make sure you don't do it. Go for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Solana, XRP, Sui, such coins that is like kind of like stable, and even if it's like fluctuating a lot, the liquidation price should be kind of far, so that you know that what you are doing is safe for you right now. As an example, I've showed you this. So if there are any questions about futures trading, I'm gonna just ask me in the comment section. I'm gonna share the link for BitGet exchange. You can use this exchange. It's kind of a good exchange. You might get some trading bonus if you sign up, I guess, but it's a good exchange, a safe exchange. It has different options for USDT, even Solana, Tron, any other like Binance, USDT, or even USDC. So go and learn. You can make money. The good thing about this, even the market is going up, you can make money. And if let's say the bull run is over, market is going down, and like it's bad news coming every day, just make money of doing shorts. So I hope you learned from this video. I'm going to share the link, and if there are any questions about futures trading that you don't understand, just let me know, and I'm going to tell you guys through a new video, or even I can just comment you in the video section. So I hope you guys learned a lot. We'll meet in the next video.